Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind, as this is general love reading, it might or might not resonate with you, okay? Take the part which resonates and leave the other part, and the energies can be reversed or vice versa at any time. And this is a reading from 11th of August till 21st of August. Okay, let's start. So yes, the energies can be reversed anytime. It could be vice versa anytime. I have to keep reminding you this, all of you guys, right? So let's start. Okay, your partner's current energy right now is, give me a second, yeah, Eight of Pentacles. I feel like right now your partner is busy making money. Might be this person right now is making something else, or just want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection with you. We will clarify that, but mostly I feel like this person right now is busy making money, busy working on their finances, on their business, on their pentacles. Literally, this person is literally busy making money. At least they're trying to make money, make good money in their life. I feel like this person right now feels like they should, right now focus on their stability, especially their financial stability, and focus on their career. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in their current energy. Ten of Swords, Seven of Swords, okay, Ace of Pentacles, okay. So I feel like this person is feeling betrayed, backstabbed, because something came out in light, because some kind of secret came out, something that they were hiding, or might be you were hiding, that secret came out, and they are starting their life all over again, all over again. And I feel like they are right now, I don't feel like any kind of emotional attachment or any kind of love situation here, but yes, I can deeply understand this person went through a lot of shit in their life. Now they're starting, now they're shifting their focus on the money thing, shifting their focus on the money thing, and they are, might be they have just started a project, or might be they have just started making money. This is something related to money and finances and business only. They are highly focused on their money right now. This is their current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Scorpio, what you are doing right now. Scorpios, your current energy right now is, let's see, just give me a second, yeah, Six of Wands. Scorpio, I feel like either you are talking about marriage, or you are getting married to somebody. This is obviously for some of you, or you are getting some kind of recognition or some kind of reward or some kind of award at your workplace, and that is making you really happy. I feel like you are feeling like a mini celebrity right now. Everybody is giving you attention, everybody is talking about you, especially your family, your community. Everybody is cheering you up, everybody is happy about you. There is something in your environment right now that's making everyone around you really happy, and everyone is right now focused on you, talking about you, okay. It's a really beautiful energy that you are right now experiencing. Let's clarify the Six of Wands in your current energy, Scorpio. Star, you could be dealing with Aquarius here. Two of Wands, Pentacles, and the Hierophant. You could be dealing with a Taurus here. Yeah, definitely. For I feel like for most of you, I feel like there's marriage on the cards. There's marriage on the cards. Can you see the Hierophant here? So you're very hopeful about the future. You are very hopeful. You have equal opportunities. You have two opportunities in your life. Might be you have two equal partners in your life, and you're not able to decide, and you want to marry one of them. Okay, so you are very hopeful about the future, that yes, I will be able to make my mind, and I will be, might be you're just having one partner. You are not right now able to decide whether to take this relationship to the next level or not, or there's some kind of confusion that you are going through right now. But I feel like finally you will decide that yes, I should get married to them. See, this is the card of marriage, this is the card of celebration. If not marriage, this could be engagement. If not engagement, it could be taking this relationship to another level. This is what you are doing right now. This is what you are doing right now. Yeah, this is beautiful energy. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Let's see their feelings for you. So yeah, this card jumped out for you. Queen of Swords. I feel like this person is very clear and honest with their intentions, but they are concealing their true feelings. So I feel like this person is telling you exactly what they want, but not exactly what they feel. Okay, there is a difference in what they want and what they feel. I feel like this person is right now concealing their feelings, hiding their feelings towards you, although they are very clear about their intentions of what they want from you. Okay, this is the situation here. There is a difference between want and feeling. So let's clarify the Queen of Swords as their feelings for you. Let's see. Queen of Wands, the Fool, Queen of Pentacles, lots of queens here. Queen, queen, queen. I feel like this person is dealing with somebody else as well. I feel like there is somebody else also in this equation. Okay, if there is no other party here, or if there is no person here, I feel like this person, whomsoever you are connected with, they are really passionate about you. They want to start this connection all over again. They want to take the leap of faith with you, and they want to be a stable and comfortable, you can say, future with you. Stable, honest and comfortable future with you. This is what they want. This is what they are feeling like. They feel like they should have a connection with you. They should have a connection where they can start their life with you. They are feeling like they should take the leap of faith with you, and they feel like there should be a stable and long term committed connection with you. This is what they are feeling right now. Lots of queens, lots of court cards are telling me about lots of people involved here. It might also be like their family is involved here. Their family might be choosing you to be with them. There is lots of people involved here, so I don't feel like this is a third party romantic situation, but this is a family situation that I'm getting here. So the family is involved, either from your side or from their side, or from both of you. From both of you might be. Okay, this is what is they feel. So let's see what they want from you, Scorpio. Let's see. Might be your friends are involved in this connection. Okay, it could also be possible like that, or else I told you the story that they are very passionate about you, very passionate about this connection. They want to take the leap of faith with you, and they want a long-term committed connection with you in the future. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Knight of Cups. They want love from you. They want love from you. I feel like this person wants you to express your love to them, for them. Okay, this is what they want from you. They want this cup of love from you, expressing your love, expressing your feelings. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, see, this is what they are experiencing right now. This is what they want from you. Marriage, 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 engagement, long-term committed relationship. This is what is happening right now in your environment. They want you to be financially stable. They want you to settle down every battle, every conflict that you guys are experiencing right now regarding this connection with you. They want you to be stable, to feel successful, to feel victorious, and to feel happy in this connection. And after all these things, they want you to express their love. I mean, express your love to them. They want you to express your love to them. Yeah, finally I got it. Yeah, so this is what they want from you. This person wants love from you. This person wants you to express your love to them. This is what they want from you. This is beautiful energy. They want you to be stably to be emotionally stable, to be financially stable, to come out of this conflicting state of mind or conflicted energy that you are experiencing right now, or might be that you were experiencing in the past, might be recent past. And they want you to feel successful and victorious in this connection, and to start this connection with happiness, jest and zeal and everything like that. And they want you to go towards them with this cup of love, with this proposal. Might be this person wants you to propose them. Yeah, this is what they want. They want you to propose to them and just start this connection. This is beautiful energy of love. Let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of August. Let's see. Let us see what is coming towards you till 21st of August, Scorpio. Okay, this is I should do it like this because my I was holding the cards in the reverse position. So this is ten of pentacles. A beautiful happy news of commitment and love or marriage and or some kind of money related happiness is coming towards you. This is related to your family. I feel like you will be very happy, your family will be very happy. There is great news of commitment, marriage or love is coming for you. For most of you, I feel like Scorpios, this is a very good energy coming in towards you. Scorpio season is coming like nearby. This is coming just like after 2 months it is happening right now, I know. But yeah, this is, I feel like Scorpio, you are feeling like some kind of festival, some kind of happiness. I am doing I'm feeling really happy doing this reading because there's lots of happiness, there's lots of beautiful energy present in this connection. Let's clarify. So I feel like you guys were silent from a very long time, might be. Strength card is telling me there was silence in this connection, might be there was confusion, there was something that was not clear, might be to both of you. Let's clarify further. Strength, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment and King of Pentacles. Stable energy of mature, practical, stable, long-term committed energy. Beautiful energy of beautiful. See, after finally the words are spoken, and finally I feel like both the parties are opening up to each other, and this is a wish fulfillment for both of you, for both of you. So this is a wish fulfillment coming in towards you, this is a happiness coming in towards you. I feel like this person is finally speaking up, and finally they are acting courageous. They are right now gathering the courage that they want you in their life. Might be this person is going to propose you for marriage or something like that by the end, by 21st of August. If not by 21st of August, by end of August, I feel like this is going to happen definitely. Obviously for some of you, for not all of you. And this is going to be very stable and mature and practical decision, and this is going to be very long term committed and stable mature relationship. This is going to be in a, this is going to become a very beautiful energy, beautiful connection in the near future. Yeah. So Scorpios, it's a very beautiful reading for you guys after you know hell lot of ups and downs, after hell lot of shit coming towards you from past like 2-3 months. Finally, good energy is coming towards you. Finally, there is something beautiful happening in your life. I'm really happy for you guys. So Scorpios, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you and namaste. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.